the impact of social media. We all know what has happened in the 3 countries that have experienced coup d'etats in West Africa: Burkina Faso, Guinea, and Mali. And the power of social media, of the people who have the coup makers, basically, to hold the people, and for the people to support them, to use them in a way that the people see it as a must, that they must support them and that they are righting a wrong. As members of ECOWAS, we must only use the ballot box to change governments and not use the gun to change governments forcibly. But social media is so powerful that it is easy to mobilize and to get people behind these coup makers.